Right, welcome back. Let's do question 5b2. Let's just go through what we have done so far in question 5a and 5b1. We're given the information that A, D, B, and C lie on the circle with center O. DB is equal to BC. Right, we found that if A is equal to X, C2 is equal to X also because angle A and angle C2 are angles in the same segment. And then if C2 is equal to X, then D3 is also equal to X because these are angles opposite equal sides. BC is equal to DB, right? And then on question 5b1, we're given that O1, angle O1 is 94 degrees. And then using the fact that interior angles add up to 180 degrees, and also that D2 and C1 are equal since OC and OD are radii, then we're going to find that D2 and C1 are what? 43 degrees. We used this part here to show that D2 and D1 are 43 degrees. Now 5b2, determine angle B1 plus angle B2, which is this. Alright, what can you say about this angle? How can you find this angle from 94? We cannot be tempted to say 94 times 2. Angle O2 is 2 times angle B1 plus angle B2. Right, let's write that. Angle O2 is equal to 2 times angle B1 plus angle B2. What's the reason? You can say angle at center equal 2 times angle at circumference. Okay, so now let's find angle O2. Angle O2 will be 360 degrees minus 94 because these are angles around a point. Okay, that is a complete revolution there. So you can say angle O2 is equal to 360 degrees minus 94. And then the reason, you can say angles around a point. Okay, so angle O2 is equal to 266 degrees. So this is 266 degrees. And then angle B1 plus angle B2 is half of angle O2. So say angle B1 plus angle B2 is equal to 266 degrees divided by 2, which is 133 degrees. And then the reason we wrote it here. Okay, let's just write it again. Angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. So meaning that angle B1 plus angle B2 is equal to 133 degrees. Let me write this one like this, 133 degrees. That's angle B1 and angle B2 combined.